Hello guys, my name is Totuku, front desk assistant in Hookninjas Limited, Africa's largest tech giant. So our company Hookninjas are installing elevation system here in this Villa Da Vinci Hotel. So come with me, let me show you how. Here is where the elevation shaft is installed, where it's now start carrying people to lift people up from the first floor, second floor and the third floor. Now we are past the first stage, which is the stage of where we drop the line to prune and shaft installation. Now we have also passed the second stage, where the installation of the brackets. Now we have also passed the third stage, which is the installation guide rail. We have also passed the fourth stage, which is the installation of the Hoist motors. We are right now at the fifth stage, which is the counterweight frame and the installation of the cabin. That is where we are at the present moment. So this is the scaffold, this is the frame of the lift. This is the Hoist motor, and this is the rope hinge for the roping of the cabin. Now, the stage we are right now is the suspension of the scaffold to install the cabin. Thank you very much.